What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now before we get into this video, what I need you to do is I need you to hit that like button, I need you to ring the notification bell, and I need you to subscribe to the channel. The reason you want to subscribe to this channel is because in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money by doing something you do every single day. That's right, we're going to monetize your daily routine. On your way to work, on your way to school, in the house, in someone else's house, on the street, everywhere you go, there's music playing. And if you're anyone who has a Spotify account or Apple Music account or a Deezer account, you listen to music every single day of your life. Casually, or if you're a music head, you listen to it all the time. There is a way that you can listen to music and get paid for it. That's right. We can monetize your music listening. It's easy as pie, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. We're going to look at a handful of websites in order for you to do this effectively and make the most money you can possibly make out of this. So I really encourage you to watch the entire video because it's going to be really helpful information. And if you want to make the most money just by listening to music, you're going to want to stay until the end. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the #1 way to make money online. Now, let's get into it. The website we're going to go to is called Playlist Push. Now, this website connects artists to playlist curators. Now, if you're an artist, this could help you out too. If you make music, and it doesn't matter what type of music you can make really obscure music or you can make very popular music. This can work for you. We're not going to talk about that in this video though. In this video, we're going to talk about ways you can make money. On this website, if you're an artist, you're actually going to have to spend money, and we don't want to do that. There are other ways that you can get your music out there and be heard for free. And in this video, we're going to show you how you can make money. Now, if you are an artist and you have a really good ear for music, then you can also do this too. And there's probably ways you can leverage this in order to fund your creative career. But what we're going to get into is how to make money on this website just by listening to music. So what we can do is we're going to see this landing page, right? And I just want to go through a couple of things. You don't want to click on this I release music button. You want to say I own playlists. Everyone listens to playlists. Everyone knows what a playlist is. If you have a Spotify account or Apple Music account, it's a curated list of songs for a particular theme, emotion, or just a particular sound. And if you listen to music and you like music, then you have a ear for a particular sound that you really enjoy, or you know how to listen to good music. If you are able to put a bunch of good music together in one space for people, then this is the video for you. You can make a lot of money doing this. Let's scroll down a bit and we see the artist portion. We're going to ignore that. We're going to say for curators, and we're going to pay attention to earn money by listening and reviewing songs. At the same time, you're going to discover new music by independent artists for your playlist. So this is wonderful because you're going to be getting paid just by listening to music. And at the same time, you're going to discover new acts and new music before anyone else hears it. It's wonderful when you can follow an artist from their beginning stages all the way to the end. It gets weird when you jump on, while they're hot and popping or where they're really popular and famous, and you're saying, oh my gosh, they have all this music that I haven't heard before. But when you listen to that first song or when you listen to that first album and then you carry yourself with that artist for years and years and years and then see their success, you feel a part of their experience. So this site isn't just offering you money, it's offering you a way to connect with artists. And who knows what could happen with that relationship, right? So what we want to do is we want to focus on curating. We want to become a curator. You're going to say become a curator, and it's going to lead you to this page. Now, we're not going to go through the entire process here. Just know that it's going to ask what country you're in and how many followers does your playlist have. This is going to be the hiccup that some of you are going to come across. I'm going to tell you right now, you need at least 400 followers on your playlist in order to make money. Now, it's not like Instagram to where getting 1 follower is almost impossible. It's much, much easier than that. Now, if you don't have any followers on Spotify, if you've never made a playlist before and you're starting from scratch, that may sound a bit scary. But the websites I'm going to show you after this are going to make sure that you get that 400 follower quota up and running in less than a week, maybe even a couple days. In a couple days, you could be making money doing this process, okay? But remember, you're going to go to the website and you're going to apply as a curator, all right? And the way you apply is you just apply using your Spotify account. This is Spotify exclusive. All right, this is very Spotify exclusive. If you don't have a Spotify account, you can sign up for a free one. Go to the Spotify website and sign up for a free account. The first website we're going to look at is going to be Reddit. Well, you're going to go to Reddit, and what you're going to do is you're going to type in reddit.com r Spotify. All right, this is the tag that you want to focus on. You're going to go to that Reddit page, and this Reddit page just shares Spotify playlist. This is all this page is for. It's sharing playlists on Spotify. And every single genre, every single theme is on this page. Now, what you're going to do is you are going to go to Spotify and you're going to make your Spotify account. You're going to make a Spotify playlist and you're going to add your songs. Just add the songs. Don't worry about the site quite yet. Just get some songs on there. Get a good amount, okay? You're going to add your songs. And then what you're going to do is you're going to share those songs on that playlist to this Spotify playlist page. Reddit is free. You should log into Reddit. You should sign up for Reddit if you aren't already on there. Sign up for free, make an account. You don't have to put any personal information on there. You can just make a dummy account or account just for music. This account is strictly just for you sharing music. You do that and you make your Spotify playlist and people come here and they listen. People are always looking for new music to listen to. Okay, and if there's so much music that comes out all the time, if you're just someone who always knows what's hot and what sounds good, this is great. This is absolutely great. So you're going to go here, and this is how you're going to get the majority of that following list. The 400 we need, they're probably going to come from this Reddit page. I don't know if you've heard the rumors and all the stories about Reddit, but Reddit is this amazing corner of the internet where people get anything and everything and all kind of information, okay? So Reddit is the first website. The next website we're going to look at is playlists.net. This is another playlist website. They have every genre you can think of. This is not exclusive to just one sound. This is anything and everything. Anything you're listening to right now, anything you are into, especially if you're an eclectic person and you listen to all type of music from all over the place, you can make separate playlists for each genre that you really enjoy, and you can make money off of that. Go to playlist.net. You're going to sign in. You're going to sign up for this website, and you can submit your playlist to this website. See the submit playlist button over here. If you sign up, you can take the playlist we already made for the Reddit page, and you could have it go here. And people are looking at this site all day, every day. People are on the search for good new artists to listen to and good new music to listen to. So if you go to this site, upload your playlist, they have all the genres, all the moods, you're easily going to get that 400 count of followers, and then you're going to start making money. You can make at least $12 per song you add to your playlist on the playlist push site. This site, you can get paid $12 per song on your playlist, and all you have to do is listen to it. You listen to it, you decide if you like it or not. If you like it, you put it on your playlist, then you get paid. It's that simple. But we want to get that follower count up first, so we're going to go to playlist.net. And then we're going to go to that Reddit page and we're going to submit our playlist so we can get people to listen. The last site I'm going to show you is called SoundPlate. SoundPlate is another playlisting website, okay? All you have to do is sign up for an account. All of these are free. None of these are going to charge you. You can see they have a billion different genres you can listen to. They have new releases. They have blogs. They have, look at this. This is I don't even know half of this stuff. But their playlists here. People come here. Like I said, there's a large market right now for music. There's always been a large market for music. And the way music works is you have to be heard. And if you want to be one of those gatekeepers that tell people, hey, listen, this guy's good. This band is amazing. This song is incredible. This is for you. This is definitely for you. This is a wonderful way to make money because you listen to music all the time, and you're going to discover new artists, and those artists collaborate with other artists who are also good. So you're never going to run out of work. You're never going to run out of money. You're never going to run out of songs to play because people are uploading things to Spotify every single day. So you want to come to this website, you want to make an account, and you want to add your playlist, okay? And once you add your playlist, by the time you go through all of these, you're going to have way more than 400 followers. And then you're just going to be generating money, generating passive income just by uploading music to your Spotify playlist page. It's amazing. It's absolutely incredible. Super easy. So just to review, you're going to go to soundplate.com, this site right here. You're going to go to soundplate.com and you're going to make a playlist and you're going to submit it. You're also going to go to playlist.net. You're going to make a playlist, you're going to submit it, and you're going to go to this Spotify page on Reddit. You're going to make a playlist, and you're going to submit it. And all of that is because you signed up for playlistpush.com, okay? And you say you own playlists. You're going to go over here for curators because that's what you're going to be. You're going to be a curator, and you're going to start making your money that way, okay? Now, this sounds good and dandy, and this is a way to make money, but we're trading our time for monetary value. And that's not the most ideal way we want to be making money. What we really want to do is we want to make money while we sleep. We want to put the work in front and we want to benefit from all the hard work we put in. Okay. This is an extension of that. This is a way to go about it, but I have a surefire, bulletproof way for you to do this for the long term. This shouldn't be a full-time job for you. You're not going to make full-time income. What you can do is you can use this to support your creative career, or you can pay a couple extra bills you have on the side, or just use this to save up money for your next trip or a purchase you want to make. But if you're interested in making a long-term living on the internet and you're an entrepreneur and you're not afraid of doing a little bit of hard work to get what you really want out of life, what I need you to do is I need you to click the first link in my description. Click that link and I'm going to show you the number one way I believe it is to make money online. It's beneficial. It's going to make you quit that 9-to-5 if you work hard enough. It's not going to be for the lazy people. It's not going to be for the people that are just trying to get by. If you are tired of working for somebody else, if you're tired of clocking in somewhere and having to wake up at a time you don't want to wake up and not being able to sleep in, if you can't travel the way you want to, if you don't have as much free time on your hand as you would like, this is going to be the link you need to click in order to change your life. All right. So go to Playlist Push and use this method if you're just trying to save up and make a little bit of extra cash on the side. But if you're serious about changing your life and your financial situation and you want more freedom and you want more time to do the things that you love, you want to click that link in my description and you want to change your life forever. My name is Make Money Malik. Make sure you like this video, ring the notification bell, and subscribe to this channel. Peace.